Reconstitution of partnership firm. Any change in the existing agreement amounts to reconstitution of partnership firm. This results in an end of the existing agreement and a new agreement comes into being with a changed relationship amongst the members of the partnership firm and their composition. However, the firm continues. The partners often resort to reconstitution of the firm in various ways, such as admission of a new partner. Second, change in profit sharing ratio, retirement of a partner, death of a partner, insolvency of a partner. Now, due to change in existing agreement amounts to reconstitution of the partnership firm. How any change in the existing agreement is possible? By admission of a new partner. When a new partner admitted in an existing partnership firm, before admission of a new partner, existing partners' profit sharing ratio may more than after admission of a new partner. In this way, the change in existing agreement is possible when reconstitution of partnership firm. Reconstitution of partnership firm means the term and condition amongst the partner will change as per their consent. Second, change in profit sharing ratio. It may be in an existing partnership firm, there were 3 partners in a firm, A, B and C. Previously, they were sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Now, the profit sharing ratio is being changed. Now, they are agreed to share profits in equal ratio. You mean all the 3 partners will share profits equally now. Due to this, their profit sharing ratio is changed. This change comes into effect after admission of a new partner. Similarly, retirement of a partner. By retiring of partner, the term and condition of existing partnership firm may be changed. However, the business of the partnership will continue. However, suppose previously there were 3 partners or 4 partners and they were sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. If there were 3 partners, then they were profit in the ratio of 3:2:1. Now, after retirement of C, now their profit sharing ratio will, suppose after his retirement, after C's retirement, they are agreed to continue the profit, continue the business, and they will share in equal ratio, that is 1/2 and 1/2. In this way, the term and condition of profit sharing ratio is being changed. Due to this, the result is reconstitution of a partnership due to retirement of a partner. Similarly, in case of death of a partner, suppose there were 4 partners A, B, C and D in a partnership firm. Now, and they were sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3:3:2. Now, after D's death, now A, B and C would like to continue their business, and they will share in the share profits and losses in the ratio of 1:1:1. In this way, their term and condition is being changed. This is known as reconstitution of a partnership firm. हो गया, कितना मिनट हुआ देखो।